Hi guys, and welcome to this lesson. So at the moment we can validate the image file size and its type. We cannot, however, validate the actual size of the image itself. Currently a user could upload a large file that would break our layout. Ideally, what we need to do is to resize images before we display them. So when we say file size here, we're talking about the actual physical file size on screen, not the file size as in 2 meg, 3 meg, 4 meg. To perform the image resizing, we're going to use a program called ImageMagick, which we need to install onto our development environment. Don't worry about installing this program in production as it comes pre-installed with Heroku. So to install this, I have my server running here in my terminal, so let me just close the server. So to install ImageMagick, we say sudo apt get space -y install image Magick, M-A-G-I-C-K. Hit enter. Password, so this is the password for your individual machine. So that's one way to install it on a Mac. Now it says command not found, but I'm using brew or homebrew, so I can say brew install ImageMagick. Let's give that a minute. Okay guys, there we are, ImageMagick installed. So for Mac users, two options, sudo or brew. And as you can see, the installation took quite a bit of time and installed a lot of dependencies. For Windows users, you simply need to do an ImageMagick search. So ImageMagick Windows 10, Windows 7, whatever it might be, an ImageMagick search with your platform for further installations, but it will be very similar to what we've just done here. With that complete, we now need to add 2 new gems to our gem file. So I still have the gem file open from a previous lesson. So up the top, after Rails on line 4, hit enter, and let's say gem, open single quotes, image underscore processing, comma, tab across, what's the version number? 1.9.3, enter, gem, single quotes, mini underscore magic, M-A-G-I-C-K, comma, open single quotes for the version number 4.9.5. And again guys, just a word of warning, always check the gem versions that you're installing with the website. So just do a Google search of the name of the gem followed by the word version to check that you're installing the most recent or the most stable version of the gem. So with that done, save it. Let's run bundle install. And leave that to run for a moment. Perfect. Now that we have successfully installed the gems, we can make use of a method called variant, which comes with active storage. So we're going to use it for creating transformed images. Specifically, we're going to use the resize to limit option to make sure that no image has a width or a height greater than 500 pixels. So let's go to app models snapshot. So left hand side, app model snapshot. Hit enter a couple of times. Let me backspace a bit. So bring this back in line. There we go. DEF display underscore image dot variant brackets resize underscore to underscore limit colon square brackets 500 by 500. There we go. And save that. Next, go to views, so left hand side, views, snapshots, and our snapshot partial here. And on line 5, we just need to edit this code a little bit. So image tag snapshot dot display underscore image. There we go, change that, display image if snapshot.image attached. Perfect. Save that. Now guys, no matter what size, so pixel size, an image is, when it's uploaded to our application, it will always be reduced to 500 by 500. So here, if I jump into my application, the image size, let's just say it comes all the way over here to the right hand side of my screen, will always be reduced down to 500 pixels by 500 pixels. So that means our view will never be broken by an oversized file. Okay guys, that's it for this lesson. Thanks for listening and I'll see you in the next.